Okay, so let's have a look at the setup. We're fine with this GoTech here, and we've got the PiStorm 32 light plugged in. Just pull it out for you to have a look. So it sits like this. There's a little notch in the board here. Very ugly looking Pi, but works just as good as any other one. Just shaking of the camera, just to, okay, it's in. No need to worry about HDMI because we're going to load some RGB images. So we'll just switch it on. You should have a tune. You hear the tune in a second. Yeah, that means it's on. Well, it's connected to the Amiga. And the Amiga, there's no drive lights or anything. Unfortunately, nothing's really set up. But pretty soon, it should load into basic. No, basic. igame. So you can see here there's a total of 3,039 games, and it's actually going through analog. This little homemade cable into this upscaler, which is a SCART upscaler, and it looks okay. It seems to remove a lot of the flicker as well if you go to HD. This is just high-res PAL non-interlace, and I saw Body Blows, Blue Max, what could I do? There was something, Blood Money. Blood Money is such a bad game, I've got to look for it. Here we go. Where is all the money? So you double click on that, you'll see some information here about the CPU settings. Okay, whatever all that means, jargon, 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 and then you've got all these options, and you click on start, and you're in the game. Where is all the money?
First, there was men. Now, Psygnosis presents a DMA design game. Blood money. There's a whole lot more coming. The biggest unanswered question is where is the money? The biggest unanswered question is where is the money?
Where's all the money? And you press F10 and you back here. So that's how easy that is. And it works with all these games. There's, like I said, 3,000. And you press escape, and then we're going to go straight to our workbench. And as you can see, it's a regular old workbench. And also, yeah, I forgot to mention that...
Hello, how are you today? This is Amiga speaking.
Very good.
Welcome to Caffeine OS.
Yes, Amiga.
Quick basic settings setup. Please choose your keyboard and mouse settings.
There's another common question is what happens when I have a hard drive? And there it is. It's there. This is the actual hard drive that is on. These are the original hard drives that are on the compact flash that maybe I did not show. Because that's another question that gets asked is where is all the money? No, where is I can focus onto that. That's what's in there. So it's got the matching ROM and the compact flash operating system, and it's still in the cafe. That's in there as well. And it's usually what's in the expansion port will override what is in the hard drive there. That's been my experience. Otherwise, unplug it if it doesn't work. Pretty straightforward. Fun stuff for me is always going here and playing these arcade games in really cool settings. I don't think I've got the latest one. Oh, this is the corrupt. Okay, this is the corrupted drive, so I can't show any of that. Okay, that's it.